Are you looking to save money in 2024? Welcome, financial enthusiasts, or anyone hoping to hold on to more of their hard-earned cash this year. As the financial climate continues to evolve, it's more crucial than ever to have a robust savings strategy. From the latest tech to timeless wisdom, we've got you covered. So let's dive into the world of money saving and discover how you can keep your wallet happy. Stay tuned as we explore 20 ways to save money this year. Scene script. Start with analyzing your expenses. That's right, folks. The first step in this financial journey is to take a good, hard look at where your money is going. You see, you can't truly start saving until you understand what you're spending on. Think of it like this. You wouldn't embark on a road trip without a map, would you? Same concept here. A detailed expense analysis is your financial roadmap. Now, let's talk about the second method, reducing unnecessary spending. This one might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people overlook it. It's all about cutting out those non-essential expenses. That daily cup of fancy coffee, the monthly subscription you never use, the impulse buys. These are the little money leaks that, over time, can drain your wallet. Plug these leaks and you'll see a significant increase in your savings. On to method number 3, using cash instead of credit. It's simple, but effective. When you spend cash, it feels more real, more tangible. It's harder to part with physical money than to just swipe a card. This method can help you think twice before making unnecessary purchases, and thus, save more. The fourth method is one that's often overlooked, considering second-hand items. Buying used doesn't mean sacrificing quality. In fact, you can often find high-quality items at a fraction of the original price if you're willing to go second-hand. It's all about being smart and knowing where to look. Finally, the fifth method, planning meals to save on groceries. Eating out or grabbing takeout can be convenient, but it's also expensive. By planning your meals and cooking at home, you can save a significant amount of money. Plus, it's healthier and more satisfying. These methods require some discipline, but the benefits are worth it. Remember, when it comes to saving money, every little bit counts. It's a journey, not a race. So, take your time, implement these methods, and watch your savings grow. Scene script. Next up, consider auto-saving. Now, what do we mean by that? Well, it's as simple as it sounds. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. It's like making a commitment to your future self. You'll be surprised how quickly your nest egg grows when you're consistently contributing to it. Moving on, let's talk about shopping sales strategically. It's not just about buying items because they're on sale, but buying what you need when it's on sale. So, plan ahead. If you know you're going to need a new winter coat, why not wait until the end of the season when prices drop? The key is to avoid impulse purchases. Stick to your list and your budget. Next on the list is reducing utility costs. This can be as simple as switching off the lights when you leave a room or as complex as installing solar panels. The point is, there are countless ways to cut back on your utility bills. And they all add up. So, start small, make it a habit, and soon enough you'll see a significant difference in your monthly expenses. Let's move on to cutting subscription services. How many streaming platforms are you subscribed to? Do you really watch all of them? Consider consolidating your subscription services. You might find that one platform has most of what you're looking for. Plus, many platforms offer family or shared plans that can help you save even more. Lastly, consider using public transportation or carpooling. Not only will you save on gas and maintenance costs, but you'll also reduce your carbon footprint. If public transit isn't an option, consider setting up a carpool with coworkers or neighbors. You'll save money and make new friends. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to savings. So, whether you're setting aside money automatically, shopping strategically, reducing utility costs, cutting back on subscriptions, or hopping on the bus, every penny saved is a penny earned. Keep these tips in mind and watch your savings grow in 2024. How about trying a no-spend challenge? That's right, method 11 is about testing your discipline. A no-spend challenge is a set period when you spend money only on necessities. You decide the duration, it could be a week, a month, or even a year. The goal is to break the cycle of impulsive spending and foster a more mindful relationship with money. Moving on to method 12, consider buying in bulk. Now, this doesn't mean you should start hoarding every item in sight. The trick is to buy non-perishable items or things you use regularly in large quantities. This can significantly bring down the cost per unit and result in substantial savings over time. Next, we have method 13, which is about utilizing free entertainment. We live in a digital age where a plethora of free entertainment options are available. From podcasts to ebooks, free courses to virtual museum tours, there's a world of knowledge and entertainment at your fingertips. Method 14 is about practicing preventive healthcare. This may sound a bit offbeat, but it's crucial to remember that healthcare costs can be a significant drain on your finances. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and regular checkups can help you avoid hefty medical bills in the future. Last but not least, Method 15 is about utilizing tax-advantaged accounts. These are special types of accounts that offer tax benefits when used for specific purposes like retirement savings or educational expenses. By contributing to these accounts, you can reduce your taxable income and save more money in the long run. Incorporating these 5 methods into your financial routine might require a bit of effort and discipline, but the benefits are worth it. Remember, saving is not about depriving yourself of all luxuries, but making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. As you can see, there are plenty of creative ways to save money. Ever thought about negotiating your bills? It might seem like a daunting task, but it's a surprisingly effective method that can lead to significant savings. Many service providers, including those for cable, internet, and insurance, are open to negotiation. Simply pick up the phone, explain your situation, and ask if there's any way they can reduce your monthly bill. The worst they can say is no, but you just might be pleasantly surprised. Next up, consider taking on some DIY projects. Whether it's home improvements, car repairs, or even making your own coffee instead of buying it from a cafe every morning, doing it yourself can save you a bundle. Of course, it's important to know your limits and not take on a project that could end up costing more if you make a mistake. But with a plethora of online tutorials and resources available, you'd be surprised at what you can accomplish. Now let's talk about using energy-efficient appliances. Sure, they might cost a bit more upfront, but the long-term savings are well worth it. From energy-saving light bulbs to high-efficiency washing machines, these products can dramatically reduce your monthly utility bills. Not to mention they're better for the environment too. Speaking of investing up front, our next tip is to invest in high-quality products. It's tempting to go for the cheaper option, but oftentimes you'll end up spending more in the long run when it breaks down and needs to be replaced. Investing in quality products means they'll last longer and perform better, saving you money over time. Finally, don't forget to take full advantage of your employer benefits. Many companies offer perks like retirement contribution matching, health savings accounts, and even discounted gym memberships. These benefits can add up to serious savings, so make sure you're not leaving any money on the table. Saving money is all about making smart choices. So, negotiate those bills, get your hands dirty with some DIY, switch to energy-efficient appliances, invest in quality, and leverage your employer benefits. Your wallet will thank you. So there you have it, 20 ways to save money in 2024. Let's quickly run back through them. We discussed the merits of budgeting and how it can help curb unnecessary spending. We also touched on the benefits of automating savings, reducing debt, and investing wisely. Remember the potential of shopping smarter, not harder, and the value of eliminating expensive habits. We explored the idea of downsizing and living within your means, as well as the advantages of increasing your income through side gigs or passive income streams. We also delved into the importance of emergency funds, health insurance, and retirement plans. Let's not forget the power of negotiation, whether it's for salary or bills, and the potential savings from going green. We also stressed the significance of financial education and the role it plays in making informed decisions. The key takeaway here is the importance of continuous learning and adaptation. The financial landscape is ever-changing. New opportunities and challenges arise with each passing year. But by staying informed and adaptable, you can navigate these changes and ensure that your financial health remains robust. Remember, your financial health is in your hands. You have the power and the tools to shape your financial future. Start saving today and secure your future. Every penny saved is a step closer to financial freedom, so keep saving, keep learning, and keep growing. Until next time, stay financially savvy.